Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I'm going to be announcing the winner of the Flamingo Pearl Air 2 bundle. It's a giveaway that I was running the past few days. The winner has been selected at random, and I will be announcing that in just a moment, so continue to listen. I wanted to give you guys a couple of points about some things that are coming up here at SMQD, Scrap Me Quick Designs. I am heading off this weekend to go to the Cricut Mountain Make-a-thon to teach a fabulous advanced card making class called Twist and Shout. If you're attending the event this coming week, be sure and take my class. I have a special surprise to hand out to all of the students that take my class. You're not going to want to miss that. And of course, I'll be posting tons of photos and videos from the event Sunday, July the 29th through Wednesday, August the 1st. So be sure and stay tuned to all of my YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook groups so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. The craft room remodel is coming along really nicely, and I will be doing a big reveal when I get back home, so stay tuned for that. And speaking of more craftiness to share with you, my Diva Days online crop event for August will be August the 25th. Write that on your calendar, save the date. I will be opening registration the week following when I get back from Utah. And we're going to have a lot of fun. If you haven't attended Diva Days before, it is an event that I have that is for people who use Cricut Design Space. So it's Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker users. I create 3 special projects, and you get the cut files and a supply list. You gather all that up and get ready. And then the day of the event, I actually host 3 live classrooms where you will get to watch me put the project together. There's a chat. You can ask me questions. It's a lot of fun. We also have a private Facebook group for Diva Days, and I run contests in there, and there's some challenges, and there's just lots of fun. There's a lot of divas who've been doing this with me for the past, this going on the 3rd year, guys, doing Diva Days online crops. So hopefully you can join in. You can get information on my website, and I'll also post a link where you see the description in this video. All right, that should catch you up on everything going around here with me, but let's see who won. So the Flamingo Pearl Air 2 Bundle giveaway winner is Robin F. Magan Jones. You're our winner. You get all that you see here, which is the Cricut Explore Air 2 in that beautiful flamingo pearl color, a Cricut toolkit, a deep cut blade housing, a pack of Candy Shop Cricut pins, a scoring stylus, and a roll of the Cricut black window cling, and you get a set of the 3 variety pack of mats. So congratulations, Robin. What I need you to do is email me with the subject line winner at scrapmequickdesigns@gmail.com to claim your prize. Send me your mailing address, and I will get your information over to Cricut, and they'll be shipping your prize out to you. Thanks to everybody who entered. If you didn't win, that Cricut Flamingo Pearl Air 2 bundle is still available at Cricut.com, and I appreciate you using my link if you decide you want to make that purchase. And thanks so much for playing along with the giveaway. I will be having additional giveaways on my site, so be sure and follow me. And I hope you guys have a great week. Don't forget to follow along as I'm at Cricut Mountain Make-a-thon coming up. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's going to be so cool. There's some big announcements coming that I know you're going to want to hear. All right. Have a great day. Bye.